Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the continuation of the Winnie the Pooh 50p coins. This is one of the latest 50p coins from the Royal Mint, and I believe that by the time this video goes up, if my sources are correct, that the second coin in this series will actually be available to buy. I will have bought it, and of course I'll be making a video on it in the future. Without further ado though, let's get into today's coin, one of the latest 50p's from the Royal Mint, and I'm excited to check it out. Now, before we actually get into the coin, I am going to say that having seen all of the coins that are coming out in the second series of Winnie the Pooh coins, if you will, that this one is probably my least favourite, even over the ones that came out in the first series. But we'll get more into that when we look at the coin itself. But for now, let's have a look at all the good information inside, and I'm going to start scanning along. And of course, if you want to have a read, feel free to pause it and have a read at your own pace. And once again, a great continuation of including some amazing illustrations. When the stories of Winnie the Pooh began, it was the tale of a little boy and a teddy bear. Over time, more and more characters became part of the adventures in the 100-acre wood. Whether the friends are old or new, they're always welcomed by Winnie the Pooh. The Friends of the 100-Acre Wood have gathered to celebrate the 95th anniversary of the first publication of Winnie the Pooh. This UK 50p coin, inspired by the wonderful storybooks created by A.A. Milne, commemorates the anniversary and features all the friends together in one of E.H. Shepard's original illustrations. And then briefly check out the coin specs before actually looking at the coin itself. Obviously it's a 50p coin. The alloy is copper nickel, the weight 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. The quality is brilliant and circulated, obverse designer Jody Clark, and then the reverse designer, the Walt Disney Company. As always, we'll start off with the obverse of the coin, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen, 50 pence, 2021, Elizabeth II. And what a lovely finish on that coin it is. And there it is, the reverse of the coin. And it's not that I don't like the coin, I just feel like there's a lot missing on it. I'm not too sure. Obviously they had to be able to fit in that image, so it had to be a certain size, but I don't know, this one feels more like a token than a coin design, just because there's so much blank space on it. But that's just me. Obviously a lot of you will love this coin more than others in the series. This coin definitely benefits though from being a colour version. The silver proof on these looks amazing. And there we have it. That is the latest Winnie the Pooh 50p coin from the Royal Mint. And before I close out this video, I have got some exciting news. Now, a lot of you will remember that I had a change checker giveaway. I did the draw, I did the results video, but the person that actually won it never reached out to me. So if you tune in next week, I will be doing a redraw on that video, and I'm hoping that whoever wins it actually does claim the prize, because it's a fantastic prize. Now all that's left for me to do is close out the video. So as always, I want to know in the comment section below, what do you think of this coin in particular? Are you enjoying this series? And if so, which one has been your favorite coin so far overall? I have already mentioned that I will be making a video on the new one that should have been released this week, and I can't wait to actually have a look at that one in my hands. There we go. So if you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.